Hey guys, it's your boy Clemiran aka Clemiran Madolla. So your boy had an assignment to do for the Sparks Foundation. It's an internship where like graphic designers, a lot of fields are within this internship. You just had to state which internship you would like, and they would give you tasks. So you only had to do one task. One task is mandatory, which is the maybe for me, like I had to make a website. Others have to make banking apps and so on and so on. I don't know the details of the other apps. I only had chance and time to do one task. So as you can see, I'm in my index.html, which is my homepage. I'm just hovering over the images to show you guys the effort I made. Please don't judge. It was my first attempt, and on my first attempt I got it. This is my very first website. um what else, guys? I just want to say that I did everything on Notepad. I didn't use programs for making the website, so you can see that's why it looks simple and plain. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's go to all customers. I stuck to the minimum of 10 customers. Nah, I didn't want to go overboard because it's anyways a dummy data, a dummy account. As you can see, I even wrote Israel Adesanya there. I wrote AS John. AS John is a millionaire. Do you guys see? AS John Jones. Hey, these guys are rich. Someone there at the bottom is 500. Never mind that person. Never mind them. And the table, I also created a table with HTML. I tried centering it, but I couldn't. And all of the styles are on a different page, which I'll show you. This is our contact us. It has been a pleasure serving you. Yes, you. Dream big. Don't just talk about it. Do something about it. That's my motto. Guys, if you need a logo, flyer, t-shirt, album art, you are misspelled album, but it's okay. Business card and banner designs, contact Clemiran Madolla. Sell, there's my cell, there's my email, there's my website for apparel. Guys, please check it out. Redbubble, Teespring. You know your boy, he's got to advertise some of his stuff. Like I have lit designs, guys. Please go check out, especially on Teespring. It's buffering, is a bit slow. It's network life in South Africa. Guys, as you can see, my apparel store is like it's for different people, like, but it's streetwear. The niche is streetwear, but it accommodates everyone, honestly, my style. Okay, let's go to about us. Kalma Banking is the bank to join to grow your profits. That's basically it. I didn't have much to place there in about us. I just wanted to get everything in with the amount of time I had. Like, learning to do a website while doing it at the same time is so hard. And most of the videos you'll find on YouTube, they very advanced and they not focusing on web, the basic, like basic banking system. So I suggest you guys go check out Ayush, Ayush, Ayush. He also has a basic banking system. He used PHP. His website is lit, guys. He even placed the source code there, but please don't copy and paste his source code. Like, if you don't understand what's going on there. I recommend you doing everything from the start for yourself so that you can get a grasp of web design. It's actually nice and you might gain a passion from it. Let's go to my coding, my codes, my codies. Okay, I used HTML. Most of the stuff I don't understand there because I was using a textbook. The textbook's name is Web Design and CSS HTML, something like that, by Jon Duckett. I wish I had an affiliate link. I would have given the affiliate link and you guys would be paying me, but I don't have it. It otherwise, let me continue. As I was saying, this is my code. This is my table. You see all those codes there. Like if you use the book, you'll understand what was going on here. It's really hard for me to explain, but always your information has to be within tags. Tags are those symbols and letters you see within the bigger than and smaller than symbols. Those are your tags in HTML. For those who didn't know, I know there are some who also didn't know who are just like me. So for the index, like homepage, you always have to link it. Same as with images, everything. Always have to link it, place it in those tags. We have paragraph tags, body, head, like list, unordered, everything. This is the CSS. Basically, uh, it it's for style and layout. So you